Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a first impression of the latest item that I have purchased from Polène. And that item is none other than the POLENE Cyme Mini. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. So before I start my first impression of this handbag, I would like to let you know that I did an unboxing of this handbag. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as a link in the description box down below, so you can go and check it out, so you have an idea how it looks like when it has arrived, how it was packaged, and everything. Okay, I would like to let you know that I am going to separate in different portions this video. First and foremost, I would like to give you some description specs about the handbag itself. And then secondly, I would like to share with you why I have opted for this specific handbag for this size and this color. And then lastly, my first impression about the handbag itself, as well as my online purchase experience and the shipping and handling. So I'm going to start off by giving you the description and specs of the handbag. But first and foremost, I'm going to show you how the handbag looks like. So this is the front side of the handbag. As you can see, there's Polène logo in front. So it has arrived in this shape. And then this is the side, the back without any logos, and then on the other side the bottom looks like so. And then as you can see, it has two straps. It has a short strap as well as a long strap. And then the inside, it is actually, I'm going to show you, so it is magnetized. Sorry, there's a lot of strap in here. So it is magnetized like so, and then the inside looks like that. You can open it up in here because it's magnetized as well. It has a pocket that it is removable, and then you can just close it like so. And then you can also wear this, like I've mentioned, either this kind of way, or you can open the sides. It's magnetized, as you can see, there's magnet here. So when you do it like so, the magnet will go together if it wants to. Let me just have a look. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, there you have it. There you have it. Not that strong of a magnet, but you have the idea, and that is the second way of wearing it, or how it looks like. So as for the description, I'm going to start off by letting you know that this is sculpture compact tote bag featuring waves, folds, and curves can be used in two ways. So this is the first way. This is what Polène calls basket style, with its sides open and the strap on the outside, as you can see in here. Or let me show you again the initial way that it has arrived, or initial shape that it has arrived. And Polène called this a flower-like clothes bag with the side stock, as you can see. But normally you have to take off this and put it inside so that you can close it in here, which I'm not going to do because I like the way that this strings are on the side. So this is what they call a flower-like clothes bag. So as for the description concerning the handbag itself, the POLENE Cyme Mini is made by leather goods artisans in Spain, specifically in Ubrique. It has an Italian textured calf leather. I don't know if you may be able to see. There you have it. It has a removable zippered pocket, like I have showed you earlier. Again, I'm going to show you. This is how the zippered pocket looks like. So as you can see, it also has Polène here, and it mentioned made in Spain. So this zippered pocket, the inside looks like so. So it's kind of like suede, textured suede. And this is removable, not on this part, but on the one here inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There you go. You can take that off. And then, as I have mentioned, it has a lot of straps. So it means that you can actually wear it in different ways. I'm just going to show it to you. Just a second. So first way that you can wear the handbag is as a handbag, so within your hands, and then as an elbow bag, like so, and then as a shoulder bag, like so. As for the size and fit of the handbag, so the dimensions are 22 by 33 by 13 centimeter. The weight, so without anything inside, it weighs 625 grams. Like I have shown you, the handles are in two lengths. This is the shortest handle, which is 40 centimeters, and then this is the longest handle, which is 60 centimeters. And then, as you have seen earlier, there's a removable interior pocket. The size of that the size of that zippered pocket is 20.5 by 12 centimeters, and the bag itself has a magnetic closure. And then lastly, for the materials, it is certified Italian textured calf leather with 100% microfiber suede lining. And then the handbag itself cost currently March of 2025, this cost 380 euros, and it does exist in different colors. The one that I got is in the color Ebony. So now I'm going to share with you why I have opted for this specific handbag for this size as well as this color. So first and foremost, it's really been a while that I have been wanting this handbag. I think it was at least before I got my second Polène, the Mini 9. Yeah, the Mini 9, because I have the 10, I have the Mini 9, and then this is my third Polène. And the thing is, I didn't really bother to buy this because I wanted to try it at first. I went to the boutique in Paris when there was only Paris boutique, and the handbag wasn't available to try on and so on. So I was like, you know what, never mind, I'll wait, we'll see. And I also wanted to try this in comparison to the big one, because I was really hesitating between the Cyme or the Cyme Mini, because in some videos or in some pictures, I see the Cyme as a normal size tote bag, and then sometimes I see it too big, so I'm not really sure, and I was afraid that the Cyme Mini might be too small. But at the end of the day, I have opted for this size because I told myself, okay, you have different totes, Roma, and the thing is, those big totes, I only wear them either during the weekend if I go on holidays, or if I go to the beach, or if I have to go, night out with some friends and have to stay at their place and so on. So the big tote bags, it's very rare that I wear them. And I am most likely to be using a small one because I will be able to use it during the day and also during the night. And anyways, I don't have a lot of things in general in my handbag, so I think this size will be perfect, because when I buy handbags, I typically buy them for an everyday use during the day and during the night. I don't just precisely say, yeah, I'm going to buy it just for work, or I'm going to buy it just for evening wear. Of course, if it's an evening wear, it will be a clutch. But other than that, when I buy something, I want it to be versatile that I can wear during the day and during the night, as well as I can wear it casually as well as formally. And that's why at the end of the day, I picked up the size mini, because I know that I'll be able to use it a lot more. And even on my frame, I am 5'2", and I have a petite size, and I'm going to show it to you. Look, when I put it on, it's a very nice size, right? See, not too big, not too small. So I guess that, yeah, I did the right thing by buying the size mini. And then secondly, why I have opted to buy this color, it's because I don't have anything in a dark brown color. Well, at least in this rich dark brown, a how you say it, a maroon, a cold maroon color. And yeah, so I opted for this. This one is the color Ebony, and it's in the textured one. And I think that this color, I will be able to use it whole year round, not just for fall or for winter, but I think it will also be great when, you know, for example, I'm in light color attire and I have this, just a pop of dark color. It will be a very good contrast. That's why I opted for this one. And I also opted for the white stitching. In general, I'm not very fond of white stitching like this, but with this handbag, I think it really, you know, as you can see, it really goes well. The white stitching and the color combo. It's not black, so it's not very harsh. It's really creamy, light creamy color. I don't know how to explain it. As you can see, it goes well with black. And yeah, so that's why I opted for this one. And then lastly, why I grabbed the chance and get the Cyme Mini, it's because I actually purchased this last year in December, and it was a pre-order. So I know that I will not be having it before the end of the year. So I was like, okay, let's have it. And at the same time, I bought it while Polène was having, every end of the year, they always have their, it's not a sales, but the way they kind of like make a sale, meaning that they don't, they give you free shipping. So in general, here in Belgium, when you buy one Polène handbag, you have €9 shipping. And then when you buy a second one, I think it becomes €16. So it kind of lessens. But yeah, for one handbag, it's €9 and it's free of charge. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'll have it. Let's buy it. So when I bought this, it was still the old price tag, which was €330, which I think it's still quite expensive. But yeah, I think it started around 250 or yeah, €220 even, the Cyme Mini, if I'm not mistaken. And then now it's currently 380. So I was very glad that I did purchase this before the price increase. I didn't know that there will be a price increase, but luckily I bought it before the price increase with the free shipping. So that's why I have opted for the POLENE Cyme Mini in this size, in this color combo. And I know a lot of people has a love and hate situation with this handbag. But yeah, I will have to wear it and let you know what I think about it. So in that case, I will be doing a review video. But for now, it will just be a first impression video. Okay, so I just did a lot of talking of why I have opted for this handbag. Now I'm just going to give you a quick first impression about the handbag itself, about the online purchase experience, as well as shipping and handling. So I will start off with the online and shipping, well, online purchase, shipping, handling. Online purchase was so smooth. Like I have mentioned, I have purchased this in December with their promo of free shipping. So that was already perfect. And then secondly, I know that this was a pre-order. So it means that when I have purchased it, they mentioned that they will only start sending this around the week of the 21st of February. But you know what? That's what I love it. They started sending this out beginning of Feb. So I kind of like, I had it at least 2 or 3 weeks before the date that it was normally has to be sent. So that was perfect as well. So good experience. And then as always, I think the Mini, yeah, the 9 Mini, I also bought it online. Same, you know, same experience. Online purchase was very swift. And then the shipping and handling, it was very fast. I think within 2 business days, it has arrived. So for this case, instead of being delivered around the 21st of February, I've received an email beginning of the month of February mentioning that it has been sent. And then I think 2 days later, I have received it, and it was a fast delivery. So In short, online purchase experience, shipping and handling. Second time that I did it with Polène, no hassle at all, very satisfying. As for the first impression on the handbag itself, so let me have a look. The color and the texture of the handbag, I really like it. Not the same as my 9 Mini, which is a smooth leather, and I think it kind of like reminds me of my Numero 10, but the difference is that this is more malleable, my Numero 10 is more hardened. So apart from that, yeah, I love the finishing, I love the shape, I love also, when I see the glazing is perfect, because for what I have seen on other videos, they were not satisfied with the glazing, but mine is great. And then when I look about the stitching, they are nicely finished, nicely done. And then the inside, the textured suede, and also the zip pocket, the zipper was great, it was perfect finishing. Yeah, as for now, for the meantime, for what I can see, I am really liking it. Oh, there's also I just saw it. I don't know if you can see, there's a Polène logo just right there. Sorry, just right there, you can see there. So that's a nice touch. The only two things though that has bothered me, I think you saw it when I was showing you the description, the specs of the handbag, is first and foremost this magnet. In this way, it is very strong, as you can see, but when I put it on the other way around, like a tote way, it's not that strong. See? So I don't know, I will see. The magnet here in the middle to close it, it's great, but on the side, I'll have a look, I'll check. Maybe I have to wear it a lot like this so that the magnets will be a lot better. But yeah, when I was showing it to you previously, it wasn't that strong enough, but we'll see. And the other thing that I just really don't like, but I have no option, is, like I have already mentioned on one of my videos when I have compared my Cézanne raffia bag as well as my Loewe basket bag. I didn't really like with my Cézanne raffia bag, the basket bag, the fact that it has two handles. If it has two handles, it's okay if I can take it out. But in here, you know, I just hate this dangling effect. We'll see with this one how I feel about it. But yeah, those are just the two things that I hate the most. As for a first impression, is that the magnetize here, we'll see. And then this one, the strap, we'll see what I think about it when I use it. So there you go. Apart from that, very satisfied of the quality itself, of how it was made. Now what I have to do is I have to wear it. I will try to take pictures and put it on my Instagram so you have an idea how it looks like with my outfit. And then in a few months' time, I'm going to give you a review of what I think about it after using it for a while. So there you go, guys. That was my first impression of my POLENE Cyme Mini. I hope that this video has helped some of you out there. If you have any questions, whatever, feel free to put them in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them. And if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to give this a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video as well as my future review video of the handbag itself. So until then, I wish you all to stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.